Converting units can be a pretty daunting task, even for grade 11 and 12 chemistry and physics students. So I am going to show you a nice, easy trick using scientific notation that'll work every time. Let's get started. So typically in senior courses in high school, these are the units we're going to be using. So it's good to remember those. There's your base unit, and then as you get smaller, you have milli, 10 to the minus 3, micro, nano, and then larger, kilo, mega, and giga. So remembering those exponents compared to the base unit is important. So let's look at how we're going to do this. First, let's try 62 micrograms to milligrams. How are we going to do that? Step 1, first convert 62 into scientific notation. So here's our decimal. We're going to move it to the left once. So we're going to write 6.2, then multiply by 10. If we're moving to the left, that's a positive exponent. Moving it once, so 1. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to divide by another exponent of 10. So what exponent are we going to be doing? Well, let's look at these. Micro to milli. So here's micro, and here's milli. If we're going from micro to milli, to go from -6 to -3, we have to add 3. So we're going to take that positive 3 and put it there. Now, if you want to take that one step forward, instead of division, you can multiply by the opposite exponent, like so. So now we can simply write 6.2, and then just our exponent laws, if we have common bases, so times 10, we add the exponent, so +1 minus 3, or +1 plus -3, gives us -2 milligrams. This is all now milligrams. And that's all there is to it. Let's try the next one. Now for the next one, and all my chemistry students, I'm using moles, because we love moles. So we're going to go from kilomoles to millimoles. So first, let's change this to scientific notation. So we're going to move the decimal to the right 2 spaces. So that's 3.2 times 10. And if we're going to the right, that's a negative exponent. Then I'm going to go straight to multiplication, right? Instead of division, just go straight to multiplication. And here's how we're going to do it. Kilo to milli. So we're going from 3 to -3. 3 to -3. To do that, we have to subtract 6. But since I'm going straight to multiplication, we're going to use the opposite sign. So +6. And that is all millimoles. So our answer then is 3.2 times 10. So -2 plus 6 is +4 millimoles. That's all there is to it. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to help. And if you're also taking grade 12 physics, for a limited time, you can download my whole course pack for free in the description. Check it out, and thanks for watching.